afternoon. Welcome to the Cool Surf Guy channel. This is going to be the first vlog of my van build series. What? But nothing going on yet though. I just finished dropping my van off here at my friend Lorraine's place. She has this space and she has the tools that I would need to do this build. So special shout out to my friend Lorraine. Thank you so much for being a dear friend to me. Oh, and she is a surfer. That's how we met actually, but she just hasn't been able to get out much lately. Other than that, this video is going to be sponsored by a whole lot of bike riding because I've opted to ride my bike from her place to my place, which is roughly about 20 miles of riding, which I'm looking forward to do. I could definitely use the exercise. So yeah, I guess here's to a new chapter of my life. Here's to a new chapter of my channel. And do enjoy the video. And if you do, hit the like, comment, and subscribe. Please subscribe. It definitely helps me do what I love to do here. Other than that, I just wanted to give you guys a special shout out and thanks. Thank you guys all so much for supporting the channel. Boy, I'm like maybe 15 miles into it right now. I still got that treacherous boundboard to go up on. Pain in the butt. I made it home. Oh my god, that was definitely a little over 20 something miles, but I'm tired. Everything's sore. My legs are sore. My butt's really sore. It's been a while since I've done any kind of extreme biking like that. The hill, oh, I ran to the gate for the hill for the uphill for the Dunbarton Bridge. The Dunbarton Bridge wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be, but I think it's also because I got my bike tuned and fixed. For a while I couldn't ride the low gears and stuff like that, so that makes a huge difference. Hello, food, so hungry. I needed a refuel. Whew. Today is a beautiful day, a little hot. I forgot to bring in the shirt, but it's the start of the build. After extensive research on what to do first with the build, the first thing is to go through the van and rip out the flooring and patch up all the little holes and stuff that was drilled into the van and things. Treat the van for rust. Surprisingly, this floor is actually really good and I kind of wish I could reuse it, but I don't think I am. But yeah, so got to get a lot of work done today. I think the first thing is just to get the flooring out. So here we go. It's the start of the project. Safety first. Gloves, mask, goggles. I'm going to be drilling. So safety first. Okay. The beauty of doing DIY. I never got a DUI. The beauty of DIY. So the issue is, that's a two-partner job. The screws on the other side is not holding it down, so you just can't take up those nuts and stuff. That's why I think I go the opposite way. So the cables ran underneath the van to here and across here and stuff. Oops, something fell on my eye. That's why we wear goggles. So I figure I just pull it through and refeed it versus taking a whole thing up. We're looking good. A lot cleaner, but I might need to do another run to the hardware store. It's like a depot for my home. But I gotta get a cutting tool for this. I think it'd be easier just to kind of cut it off and leave it. Not much time left in the day. Sun's gonna go down in a few hours and stuff like that, but I don't have a shop light, so I won't be able to work at night. But yeah, but got the tool. But this will be used to cut that off, and there's about 20 of them in the van. All right, let's get to work. Day 2 of the build. I thought it was going to be easy peasy, pull the floor out and be done, but it's not. So I think it's going to take another day or two to finish drilling and cutting out all those little studs they used to hold the original floor in. Number 2 is I brought a shirt. Today's another beautiful day. Look at that sun. But it got hot. I was like burning, roasting, and I didn't want to take my sweater off. So I brought a shirt today. I think it's gonna be easier to work with. But here we go. Another day to this wonderful build. I just learned that it is crucial to use the right tool for the right job. So originally, I had this drill bit on this guy trying to cut out these little notches and stuff like that, and it just ate through the bit. And my friend's like, oh, you need to use a torque wrench for it and stuff. Not enough spin power, just enough spin power, and it makes the job 100 times easier. I thought it was gonna be here all day. This might be done in a few hours. A lot of cleaning up to do and stuff, but as of right now, I'm taking a break. All the batteries for my drills and stuff, they're all dead, so I gotta let them recharge. The main thing next is going to be using a tool to scrape and clean up all the rust tool to clean up all the rust and stuff off of the van, and then cleaning up all that dirt, vacuum it all up again. And I might go through with a bristle brush to really clean everything, spray it down with some cleaner. I gotta get all this weird grimy stuff off that came off the original padding to get it all nice and clean. Whew, I got my work cut off for me. Oh, and then I gotta go through, clean these out, and then patch it up with some steel stuff just to cover them all back up and stuff, and then paint it all over, get it all nice and white again. Oh yeah. But all in all, the condition of it's not that bad. I don't see any major rust points. Nothing's falling out or anything. So we should be good. I made some progress today. Look at how clean that bad boy is right now. I got a majority of all the rust off. Got some CLR. Sprayed it, let it soak. Just pulled everything else that I couldn't get. And she's looking good. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Do hit the subscribe button. Like, comment. This has been a dream come true, guys. Loving it. Finally done with the tedious cleanup work. Kind of sanded everything down, got as much of the rust out as much as possible. A lot of it was superficial. There were some deeper spots, so I used a scraper tool on it, so I actually came down to the paint, which is perfectly fine because I felt like I need to get a big paintbrush and just like paint the whole entire floor to do like rust protection and stuff. But yeah, I'm gonna wait for the floor to dry a little bit more, and then I'm gonna be using this stuff right here. You just kind of mix it up and you stick it in the little hose and stuff, but it's just JB Weld. And then I like to go underneath the van too and press it back up to kind of get it to like form like an eye around the hole, so it just seals it completely and stuff. It takes about an hour to set, and then I'm gonna dry it, come back later and paint over the white spots and get it all prepped and done. But yeah, whew, it's been a long 3 days, guys. Still got a little bit more to go. I got all the holes they drove into the van all patched up. That one is going to be a run for that guy right there. Everything seems to be patched. And let it dry. It takes about an hour to set. And then I'm gonna clean and prep the rest of the van for the paint. Cover all the little drill holes and stuff like that that could potentially lead to rust. But yeah, and then I'm still debating about what to do with these guys. I think I might just drill them out and then patch them up with the same stuff and just keep them covered. I don't have a need for them. So down to the last bit of work for this week's vlog. It's just gonna come down to, ooh, no light. It's just gonna come down to a little bit of prep work, cleaning the surfaces, and then painting this over any of the spots that got exposed like this when I did the cutting and the drilling and stuff like that. Kind of a mistake to use simple green onto the paint. I read that you shouldn't be using the paint because it actually pulls off some of the paint, but it's fine. I could just kind of paint over everything. But we're almost done with this week's vlog. I hope you guys enjoy it. It's been a blast. I'm enjoying this. I also forgot to mention, so it rained super duper heavily overnight yesterday and this morning. And one thing that most people say to do is to do a spot check to make sure that there was no like water leakage into the van. And I'm looking at everything and everything seems to be intact. Like I don't see any water spots, nothing dripping, the van's not wet on the inside or anything like that. So we are looking good. Actually, wait, what is that? No, that's just paint. We are looking good. I'm finally done with this week's project. It took a lot longer than I expected, but I'm finally done. I made the mistake of using CLR to take care of the rust and stuff. And it unfortunately thinned out the paint that was on the van. So what I had to do was I ended up having to repaint the entire floor of the van because it literally just thinned out the paint so thin that it was starting to show some of the metal. So I just figured it'd be easier just to kind of paintbrush the whole thing. Sorry, my battery died. Anyways, what I was saying was, it kind of doesn't really matter if I really put another layer on it because it's gonna get covered up anyways with the floor. but I just felt like it's kind of tacky. It kind of sticks to my shoes a little bit. It leaves a nasty footprint whenever I'm stepping on it and working on it. So I just kind of want to do that a little bit. So yeah, other than that, oh man, I'm kind of tired. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. It's definitely different from what I've been doing with the whole surf thing and everything too, but this is the direction that I've been wanting to go to for a very long time. So if you guys enjoyed the video, do hit that like button, do comment, share, and hit the subscribe button. The goal is still to hit 500 soon. If I could surpass that, that would be even better. But yeah, so hit the subscribe button. Other than that, ring the bell for notifications on my next vlog. And until then, I'll catch you guys again soon. Take care.